To see exactly which applications and websites your team spends time on, open the Productivity menu and select App and URL. This brings up the App and URL tracking page, where activity is broken down by both application and URL. At the top right, use the Name drop-down to choose a specific team member and the Date picker to select the day you want to review. The top app card highlights the single most used application for that day. Alongside it, the top URL card surfaces the most visited web address and its total time logged. Below that, the All App Usage card groups every tracked application into various categories, each with its own total time. The chart beside it shows how each category compares as a share of overall activity. The All URL Usage card does the same for websites, organizing visited addresses by category. Scroll down to the All Applications and All URL sections for a complete, itemized breakdown. Every individual app and web address, each with the exact time spent.